Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we are.
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
Ball out! Whoa, yo. We need help, Jesus. Jamaica need help. Shift the parliament. Shift the election. Shift everything. Remove them out there. Take out the cockroach. Take out the thief. Take out the criminal them. Take out the thief them. Take out the murderer them. Take out the gang leader them. Out of parliament. Take them out. From Portland. Take them out. I hear Portland. Me I go to Portland. Why me I travel to Portland? Take out somebody. Man or woman.
Look on the phone and say, this is for me. My friend, my family, that you and everywhere. Well, man, here's my friend, do it, man.
mind you, in particular, that Minister Delroy Chuck, who now twists himself in a pretzel over the Integrity Commission to the point where people are saying, is everything okay with Minister Chuck?
So what?
Was one of those who said that Andrew should resign.
Yes.
Because after the court ruling, he said he was not fit to lead the Jamaica Labour Party.
What can go
So Mr. Vegas come here because me no understand. You mean if you tell me say all these months you have chastised the PNP and you have been saying all kind of things about the General Secretary. You mean to tell me say everything boils down to a lie? I want to know how the Jamaica Labour Party feel this afternoon. How the supporters of the Jamaica Labour Party feel if you see Mr. Vegas come out and publicly apologize to the General Secretary of the People's National Party. Look at Jamaica. I would like to apologize publicly to Dr. Dayton Campbell for any unflattering remarks I have made about him at any time. I confirm that I do not have any information or fact about any improper behavior or regarding Mr. Campbell. Therefore, I apologize for any such allegations that have been made. My God. Can you imagine? What a shame and disgrace upon the Jamaica Labour Party.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey girl.
Hey Gabby, what's up? What's up?
Hey, Gabby, what going?
Alright guys, so I just checking in because remember, it's that time of the year again.
Huh? Like what you mean? Like Christmas? New Year?
Valentine? It's that time? Guys, no. Okay, alright, that was my fault. Guys, it's time again for us to get Jamaicans registered to vote. We are looking for unregistered persons and we're encouraging them to come on the list. And those persons that we register, we want them to register some more people. Because guess what? Remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
Believe no man, we really need to do the thing.
Hey, so what about them people who live side of me there? What about my neighbor?
I know say you have no neighbor and friend. We're calling all of them because remember, we have up to March 31, the 31st of March to get people registered. So remember, friends don't let friends vote alone. So tell a friend to tell a friend.
Wait a second, Gabby. Tell a friend to tell a friend? No problem.
You're quick, sir. And the man sent a broadcast message.
Guys, we have to remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
People, time come now.
Make the trumpets play.